Welcome to the Crypto Academy 101, where we break down crypto and blockchain for all ages. Cryptocurrency. It's a word that's buzzing everywhere these days. But what exactly is it? Let's break it down in a way that everyone can understand. Imagine a world where money isn't just paper or coins. Instead, it's digital. That's where cryptocurrency comes in. It's like having a virtual wallet that you can use to buy things online, send money to friends, or even invest for the future. But what makes it different from regular money? First off, cryptocurrencies are decentralized. This means they aren't controlled by any government or bank. Instead, they operate on a technology called blockchain. Picture a giant digital ledger that records every transaction. This ledger is shared across many computers, making it super secure and transparent. No one can just change the numbers without everyone knowing. Now, let's talk about how people get their hands on cryptocurrency. The most common way is through a process called mining. Think of it as a digital treasure hunt. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex math problems. When they solve these problems, they get rewarded with new coins. It's like finding gold, but in the digital world. There are many types of cryptocurrencies out there. Bitcoin is the most famous, often called digital gold. Then there's Ethereum, which allows developers to create applications on its platform. Each cryptocurrency has its unique features and purposes, making the world of digital currency diverse and exciting. So, why do people love cryptocurrencies? For one, they offer a level of privacy that traditional banking doesn't. When using cryptocurrencies, transactions don't require personal information, making it appealing for those who value their privacy. Plus, the potential for high returns attracts investors. Some people have made a fortune by buying cryptocurrencies early and watching their value skyrocket. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The cryptocurrency market can be incredibly volatile. Prices can jump up or crash down in a matter of hours. This unpredictability makes it essential for anyone interested to do their research before diving in. For younger audiences, cryptocurrency can also be a fun way to learn about finance and technology. It encourages curiosity about how money works and the future of transactions. Schools are even starting to teach students about digital currencies, preparing them for a tech-savvy world. In conclusion, cryptocurrency is more than just a trend. It's a new way of thinking about money that's here to stay. Whether it's for investing, spending, or simply learning, there's something for everyone in the world of digital currency. So, dive in, explore, and who knows? The future of money might just surprise everyone. Thanks for watching the Crypto Academy 101. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.